Good morning guys, in front of me is Poco C65 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first, open new message, then click on Start Chat, and as you can see here we've got access to keyboard. To change it, tap on Settings icon, select Languages, tap on Add Keyboard, choose the one that you want to apply, tap on Done. And now you can remove unnecessary language. Maybe I will add some language with more visible change. So it can be, for example, Hebrew. Tap on Done. And now we can remove unnecessary languages. Then go back, and as you can see, new language is already applied. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.